Hi everyone, welcome to AHCareerTalk YouTube channel. If you are a fresher and looking for a job opening, this is the latest job opening at DataBeat for you. DataBeat is a data-driven company working in digital advertising and analytics, helping businesses improve their revenue and decision making using data. They mainly focus on data analytics, media insights, and ad tech solutions. This means it's a very great opportunity if you are interested in data plus real world business impact. Now, coming to the job role, this is mainly a data analyst based role. Your responsibilities will include analyzing large data sets, finding patterns and trends, creating reports and dashboards, and supporting business decisions using data. Basically, your job is to turn raw data into useful insights that companies can use to grow. Let's talk about the skills you need. To apply for this role, you should have strong analytical thinking, knowledge of SQL, Excel, and data tools, and basics of statistics, data visualization skills. And bonus if you know Python or R language and BI tools like Power BI and Tableau. Also, good communication is important because you will be working with teams. And coming to eligibility, it's a degree in computer science, data science, or related field, and freshers can apply. Some roles may need 0 to 3 years experience. So, even if you are a fresher, don't skip this. And coming to the location, a role is based in Hyderabad and work from office. So, be prepared for relocation if you are applying from another city. And to apply, go to the link in description and fill in your details and upload your resume. Please make sure your resume is ATS-friendly and highlights your projects, skills, and internships. And most importantly, do not pay any money for job applications, which is very important. Don't fall for scams. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends and subscribe for daily job updates. Thank you.